going on, guys? It's Matthew Gilliland here at Cape Fear Customs in Wilmington, North Carolina, here to do our product of the week on the AEV 2.5 suspension system on the 2-door JL. This system is also offered for the 4-door JL as well. This is a complete out-of-the-box, ready-to-rock kit, as you can see behind us. What you're going to receive in the kit is two 2.5-inch springs. They are progressively wound springs, so it's not a linear rate coil, meaning that the top of the spring is designed to carry the weight of the vehicle and the ride is designed to ride in the bottom end of the vehicle. You're also going to get bump stop extensions, rear track bar bracket, all the associated hardware, rear sway bar links, front sway bar links, AEV's new stamped 2.5 control arm brackets with the caster adjustment, and Bilstein 5100 shocks designed exclusively for AEV's suspension system. Another component that's going to come with it is the factory jack base. So this is going to allow you to use the factory jack that comes with the vehicle without having to get a high lift jack or something like that. And you're also going to receive AEV's Pro Cow. This is going to allow you to set the tire size to the speedometer and also allow you to set tire pressure thresholds, and later on down the road, if you chose to re-gear, you can set it with that. As you can see right out of the box, this thing has a tremendous amount of flex, allowing you to get over all kinds of obstacles, from sand to rock to mud. And if you come over here and check it out, this thing is bump stopped perfectly for a 37-inch tire. Now again, this is a Rubicon, so it has a higher marked fender flare. If you have a Sport or a Sahara model, you're going to want to run 35-inch tires. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Cape Fear Customs, and we appreciate you stopping in.